Well, we lost in the end, unfortunately 3-2, but just happy with how we played. We created a lot of chances up front, and Ben buried 2 of them, so full credit to him. And we did create a lot of chances, and that was great. But unfortunately, myself at fault. We could have done better at the back. Unfortunately, we let them get a couple of goals that probably were a bit sloppy defensively. But full credit to them because they took their chances. But I think we should have a good season, hopefully.
Great, cheers. Good luck the rest of your season.
Thank you.
So we got Josh from Klopptomaniacs. How did your game go today?
Went very well.
What was the score?
3-2. Should have been more. The lights went off just as we were about to score.
Yeah,
Dominant.
30 seconds left though.
Wow. Yeah, it was coming.
Okay.
Still building.
Alright, sweet. Good luck for the rest of your season.
Cheers, mate.